plate video. If you want to check out our first one, I'm just going to link it down below. But this one, we are trying out a new recipe.
So our second one is the mushroom bibimbap bowl.
It's an Asian Korean rice and veggie bowl. So we're going to give this recipe a try today. So this is what it's supposed to look like at the end. And let's see everything that we got from the box.
Well, we can start off with these 2 eggs that she's not going to have. They came in separate little compartments.
It's really cute because they came in little boxes individually, wrapped like that. The next thing we got was some purple cabbage.
Alright, now let's dig into the bag. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to reach out and grab here is some mushrooms.
Definitely more than last time. A whole bunch of sweet peas.
Those are good. Some green onion.
It's a little bent out of shape. Whoa, they must have taken these from a restaurant. Little soy sauce packets.
Alright, there's some rice vinegar, a little packet of it.
Some Cal Rose rice.
Is that all there is? All the rice?
Yeah, this is all the rice that came in the package. So
Okay.
It's pretty small.
The next one is ginger sesame spice blend of some sort. So
Gochujang or gochujang sauce. Never heard of this before, but we are first time trying it out.
yeah.
The first step is to make the rice. So we're gonna make some of this. We're gonna try it and see how much rice it ends up being. If it's not enough, then later on tonight, we might end up making more rice. Apparently this type of rice is supposed to be sticky rice. So I'm gonna get started prepping the veggies and the green onion.
Rice is all done.
What's the next step?
Alright, so step 3 says cook veggies. So in a large non-stick pan, add some oil over medium heat, and we're going to cook the mushrooms to start off for 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. So while the veggies cook, we're gonna make the gochujang sauce. Whisk together the gochujang soy sauce, half of the rice vinegar, and half of the ginger sesame spice blend. So for the gochujang sauce, it says you can put in 1 packet if you want it mild, or you can do 2 for a stronger dish. You want to do 2?
Yeah, let's definitely go 2.
Yeah, do all the flavor?
Yeah, definitely.
It actually smells really strong. Like it's so spicy.
Oh yeah, smells sweet as well.
I don't think I've ever had anything that tastes like that.
So for the next step, we have to add the snow peas and half the ginger sesame spice blend. Cook and stir often for 1 or 2 minutes until fragrant. Alright.
And the spices. We're gonna start the pickled cabbage. We just need to put red cabbage, vinegar, and salt into a small bowl. I actually do this all the time. I always pickle cabbage to eat on the side. I don't know why, so that'll be a nice touch.
Alright, so add the cabbage.
Where does it say to fry the egg?
I think that's actually the very final step.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the very last thing you do, I guess. So.
And try some cabbage and see how the vinegar is different from regular vinegar.
Is it good?
I don't think it's that different from normal vinegar.
Oh, I know. Same thing.
Supposed to combine the sticky rice with the veggies and a little bit of oil in the same pan. That looks really good actually. Now we're supposed to cook the egg into it, but we're gonna cook the egg separately because I don't eat eggs. And then after that with the rice, we're gonna add in the pickled cabbage and the green onion on top, and then sprinkle the gochujang sauce also on top. So So we're gonna try to get it to look like the picture as close as we can.
There's actually more rice and veggie than I thought there was gonna be.
I didn't think it would end up being this much. It's actually colorful.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good. We'll garnish with some green onion. How much sauce do you want? A little bit? A lot?
I'll take a lot. Just make sure
You don't know what it tastes like.
I'm sure I'll like it.
You better. Okay. Let's kind of drizzle it, I guess.
Just make sure you get enough for yourself as well. And top with 2 beautiful eggs.
Mine's definitely not exactly to the picture, but I think it's pretty close. I think yours is closer. It still looks good. Let's give it a try. So let's try our
Bibimbap bowl?
I'm gonna try the sauce. This is weird. I don't try new things very often,
No.
so this should be interesting. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of rice.
Whereas I'm the opposite, I eat anything, so.
Yeah, Jonah's much more adventurous. Ooh.
It's pretty good. I like it.
It has a good flavor. I was scared in the beginning because it came off as like really spicy, but the spice goes away really quick, which is interesting. I've never really had that.
Yeah, it has a nice sweetness to the spice, so it kind of kills it fast.
It's almost like a sweet and sour or sweet and spicy sauce.
You can definitely taste the soy.
The rice is actually really good.
I'm gonna try the egg.
The sticky rice is like thick.
Yeah, actually the rice is better than I thought. I usually don't cook rice in a pot like that. It's really good. Even the egg is actually really good on this.
Cool, dude. Must be nice. I also really like the mushrooms and the snap peas together in this. It gives it a very like Asian flavor. Really good combination. I think if I do fried rice again, I'm gonna do it with.
Yeah, I think portion wise too, I expected this not to be as much, but I think I'll actually be full of.
Yeah, usually we have to make either extra rice or extra pasta. Like we're not too sure with like the portion sizes, but this literally filled our plates. This is actually really good. I love this a lot. I was actually surprised because I'm picky. Like I don't usually go for Chinese food too often. I would 100% make this again.
Yeah, me too. I actually thought this was gonna be my least favorite of the 3. And
Me
so
too.
far, it's better than the pasta.
Yeah, and I love pasta. Even the red cabbage with the green onion, it gives it like a freshness. It's super good. I like 100% eat this again. This is like 5 out of 5.
Yeah, I'd say for me this is about a 4.5 out of 5 for sure.
He's a critic. You can't win him over. This was so good. Okay guys, so we're gonna go have dinner. Hope you guys really liked our video. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever tried gochujang before? Do you like the flavor? We're gonna have one last Chef's Plate video coming up soon. And like I said, our previous one is linked in the description box below. Subscribe for more videos and we will be back soon. Bye guys.
See ya.